Looking for the best fish tanks? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 fish tanks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Fluval Spec V 5-gallon aquarium kit. Slim, 5-gallon aquarium. Small desktop footprint. Bright LED lighting. Powerful filtration system. Optimized for small species like bettas, neon tetras, and guppies. Stylish. Fluval's Spec Freshwater kit is a sleek aquarium for keeping shrimp and other little species in a limited space. Does not include a heater. At number 2. Fluval All-in-One Freshwater Kit. Stylish design. Holds 15 gallons. Remote changes light color. Dimmable lighting. Lighting timer. Especially effective filtration system. Customizable water flow. Available in black and white. This compact aquarium's bold curved design and comprehensive filtration system make it a top option for beginners. Filter may be too strong for tiny or weak swimming species. At number 1. Tetra 55-gallon aquarium kit. Huge 55-gallon aquarium. Includes filter, heater, filtration media, net, thermometer, and sample food. Easy to set up. Optimized for larger tropical species and schools. Versatile setup. This extra-large model and its comprehensive kit are a must-own aquarium for keeping a wide variety from tiny tetras to giant plecos. Stand sold separately. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.